Guys, I really think that you guys need to take a look at this wallet. I think it's my favorite. Hi guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I was supposed to be doing an unboxing, but this item I have been anxiously waiting for, and I just could not open it. So, as you know by the title, you know that this is the new Recto Verso wallet by Louis Vuitton. I have gone through a lot to get this wallet. So, of course, the website is sold out. My local Louis Vuitton, which is about 2 hours away, said that it had the item in stock when I looked at the website. I called and called the number, and all I kept getting was the Louis Vuitton customer service. So I guess if the store doesn't answer the customer service line, it's rerouted to the customer service line and they answer. So I had no way of getting it, and customer service told me that they are no longer allowing people to purchase over the phone, that I had to either go to a store or call the actual store. So I tried my best to call the stores that said that the item was available, and finally a store actually answered, because every time I called a particular store, the line would get rerouted back to customer service. So I called and I finally was able to get it at a store that I know people in, which is the Fifth Avenue store in New York. So I was able to get this item. I called, I got an answer, I bought the item, and it took a little bit longer to ship. I don't know why. I'm not very far from New York, but it took a little bit longer to ship, but I didn't care. I am so excited that I got this wallet. Anyway, oh gosh, this is rambling. So this is what the item came in. A little box, my receipt, and this item was a sun sale. You can see up there it says sun sale, and the price was $590. I did pay tax on this item, ended up being $629.83. So there is my receipt. Super happy that I was able to get it after tracking it down for a few, maybe about almost 2 weeks. So finally got it. Super excited. And here it is in a little dust bag. And you all know what it looks like already. So there it is. And as you guys probably know, that my favorite current wallet is the Neo card holder by Louis Vuitton as well. And you see they're very similar. So my favorite print for Louis Vuitton is the Damier Ebene print, which is the checkered brown print. My second favorite print is a monogram with the black leather. I believe it's called the Magassar leather. So if it has the monogram with the black leather, I am all over it. I love that. Just like the Palm Springs Mini has the monogram with the black leather. And it's my favorite because the leather is treated, it's carefree, and I just feel that it looks so nice. And black is my favorite color. So when I saw this wallet, I had to have it because what I am lacking in this card holder is a space to put my coins in. I normally pay with cards. So normally I pay with cards, but sometimes I want to pay with cash. And then I'll get back all this change and I have nowhere to put it. So I'm forced to just throw it in the bottom of my bag. And I really don't like doing that, even though I do carry organizers all the time. I just don't like doing that because then I can't find my coin. I have to rummage through my bag to get it out if I'm paying with cash on another occasion. So when I saw this come out, I said, wow, that is perfect for me. It has my card slots. It has a place for coin, which can be here. I'm not going to go through what this wallet is, like specifications or anything, because I'm sure that there are a lot of videos out there about it now because this is such a good wallet. So you can put your coins in here, or you can put your coins in this little front pocket here. I am planning on putting all my coins in here, all my cards here, all my coins in here, and maybe my receipts in this front pocket. So this wallet does have a little, like a card, oh my gosh, I can't speak today, like a key holder, just like the key clay. Oh, and I am doing a giveaway, by the way. If you guys want to enter my giveaway, I am giving away a Louis Vuitton key clay in the Damir Ibn print, which is this print right here. So if you want a chance to win that, it's open internationally. You can go over a few videos back and you'll see my giveaway. You should enter and follow all the rules on there, and you'll be entered into that giveaway. So super excited about that. Anyway, so going back to this is just like one of the key clays, so you can put your keys on here, or if you don't want to do that, since I do have my 6 key ring holder, I keep my keys in here. I love this little gadget. I love it, love it. Use it every day. So since I already own that, I just plan on maybe hooking this on the inside of my bag, or even if you're just out and about, you can hook it like on your pants. That'll be super cute. You don't have to worry about it. You can go hands-free and you have everything you need in here. So I think it's super practical and super adorable. I just had to have it. They do come in the empreinte leather as well. I believe it comes in the noir and in the navy blue color. So whatever you prefer. I am just so happy that I got it. So I am going to transfer my items from my current wallet into my new wallet. I am into super little wallets or card holders nowadays. I'm not liking my big wallet, so I am happy with this. So let's transfer my cards, see how everything's going to fit. Of course, my cards are going to fit perfectly fine in here. My driver's license. All right, so the 3 cards that I had here are up here. And I don't currently have anything in here. I might put something here, but I don't know that. All right, so since I do have this military ID, I'm going to put that in the bottom pocket. It's nice, I like that. And what is inside here are a little bit of cash and a little bit of insurance cards. And I think that's all I have in here. Yeah, that's it. So let's get these out. So let's put my insurance cards, some gift cards in. Let's see. I'm doing this together with you guys, so I haven't like really planned where I'm putting everything, but this little compartment seems to be nifty for that. All right, they fit pretty good in there. And then I can put my cash in here. Oh, so this does actually have a space if you want to keep the chain out like that, because you can see the zipper does come up a little bit, so it does allow you to keep that chain out, which is really nice. I'm gonna put a little bit of cash in here. It fits nicely. And what I wanted this for was coins. I do not have very many coins, but I did find this little bit thrown in the bottom of my bag, like I said. So now I can actually carry this, because I hate breaking like a bill for 2 cents, you know what I mean? So I'd rather just carry a little bit of coin there, and you can carry some receipts if you wanted. Let's put that in there. All right. So, finally, I feel like I am complete. I know, it's pretty silly, right? Like to transfer from here to here, but it does have that comfort level that you can actually put absolutely everything, like absolutely everything, including my little coins, in here without worrying about it being too bulky and taking up more space or using a full-size wallet. And you know what? The best part about this wallet, another good feature, is it has a pocket right here as well. So you can put other cards in here, just something for quick access. Let's take this ID out. And if you want something for quick access, you can put it right there and it fits in there perfectly fine. So I do have my ID in there. So, you know, that's another little nifty compartment that I like about this little wallet. I don't even know if it's a wallet or if it's a card holder, but I'm using it as a wallet like I did my Neo card holder. And this, I'm gonna give it a little break so that it can go back to its normal shape. It is a little bit stretched out, as you can see there in the center, but it doesn't bother me. I'm sure it'll go back to the way it was once I give it a little bit of a rest. But I am super excited about this little wallet. I am happy that I got my hands on it. I was a little bit persistent with it just because I knew that I was gonna love it. So if you guys are thinking about it, not too sure about getting it, I do suggest that you do get it. If you can get your hands on it, call your local SAs or anybody that you know that might be able to get this for you. You should, because it is a very, very practical. Hoping that I do love it as much as I think I am. I was, you know, because I couldn't get it, I was, you know, stressing out. I was thinking, why do I even want that for? I'm not even gonna use it. I'm just gonna waste my money and blah, blah, blah. But I think I was thinking negatively because I couldn't get it. So I was trying not to be I was being a sore loser pretty much. But, now that I have it, I do hope that I love it as much as I think I am. If not, I will be sure to let you guys know if I do or not. So I am really happy that I got it, and I am really happy that I was able to make this video for you and you guys can see and transfer the things from my current wallet into my new wallet, and you guys can see what fits in there. So hopefully I've helped you make a decision on if you want it or not, or you thought maybe it was bigger than it really is. So just for comparison, let me compare it to this Neo card holder, and this is pretty much the size of a regular card holder. So I'm going to put it here next to this. Bottoms are even, as you can see. But the Recto Verso is just a tiny bit taller, maybe about not even a full inch, maybe 3/4 of an inch taller. And in terms of width, I would say it's about the same width. So yeah, it feels about the same width. Although the Recto Verso looks a little bit wider, it's about the same. If you want to compare it to the 6-key ring holder, 6-key holder, why do I keep saying ring? If you go sideways like that, or if you go longwise, you can see how much wider the Recto Verso is. And like that, it's not much fatter, I would say. The Recto Verso is a little bit fatter in that sense when you compare it to this, but it's because this is the flat side. This is where I have my keyless car thingamajiggy. Let's see what else. I have my pochette, mini pochette here. If you want to compare it to that, it's full, so it's pretty thick, but just for a size comparison. So I'm holding right here, and you can see how much taller this is and wider. So there's that. Alright guys, so this is it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe, as I love having new subscribers, new friends, join the family. And please let's not forget to be kind to one another. Always, always be kind to everyone if you can. Even if you're having a bad day, just giving someone a smile really, really can help them a lot. So thanks so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.